Hi, this is John with WTI. And this right here has been one of my favorite beverages that I've had since I was a kid. This is where the Supligen beverage comes into place, and it's just awesome. The taste of this is awesome. I remember my mom used to drink this and used to give it to us, and she was like, "No, don't get all of them because she don't want it to take us to the supermarket because we will be asking for this." And this flavor is really nice. It's not too sugary at all, and it has one big perk. This has 11 grams of protein, so it's already giving you this properties that is really good for you to reach to your protein goals of the day. The taste is awesome. What I like to do is just I put this in the fridge, and the texture is it feels like a thick milkshake for me. The texture is not so too sweet. It's not too hard for you to digest, in my opinion, in my personal situations. And I just enjoy this straight cold from the can. It's pretty good. So this was Jean with WTI, and that was my point.